Hi, this is Jeevratnam and welcome to my channel Jeevan Astro Answers. And this topic is about Toxoplasmosis. Toxoplasmosis is a common infection caused by a parasite called Toxoplasma gondii. The Toxoplasma gondii parasite is mostly attracted to warm-blooded animals and human beings. Predominantly, it develops inside the cats and then it can infect other animals. Since this parasite can survive on intermediate hosts like birds, animals, and even human beings, it can be found in abundance all over the world. This parasite has asexual and sexual stages of reproduction in felines such as cats. This parasite seems to spread quicker among intermediate hosts. It has the ability to persist in different environments also. For human being, this disease shows flu-like symptoms and spreads from consuming undercooked meat. And if a pregnant woman has Toxoplasmosis, she can pass it to her fetus. Let's look at the life cycle of Toxoplasma parasite. Cats play an important role in spreading Toxoplasmosis. They become infected by eating infected rodents, birds, or other small animals. This parasite is developed inside the cats in a loose form which is microscopic. After 3 weeks of infection, kittens and cats can shed millions of oocysts in their feces. Mature cats are less likely to shed Toxoplasma if they have been previously infected. A Toxoplasma infected pet cat can contaminate the litter box. If the cat is allowed outside, it can contaminate the soil or water in the environment as well. Other animals such as wild birds, rodents, deer, pigs, and sheep may consume the eggs in contaminated soil, water, plant material, or cat litter. Shortly after the eggs are consumed, they release trachyzoids, which is a form of the parasite. Trachyzoids spread throughout the animal's body and it attacks the neural and muscle tissues. And then it forms cysts in nerves and muscle tissues, which is known as bradyzoids. Bradyzoids are nothing but a parasite developed in tissue cysts and predominantly it found in muscle cells and cells within the nervous system. Animals can be infected with this parasite if they consume an intermediate host who have tissue cells like bradyzoids. It can also spread to human being, which is known as animal to human, that is zoonotic transmission. People can be infected by eating undercooked meat containing these cysts. People can also become infected if they eat food, water, or other materials which can be contaminated with cat tools. Rarely, people can be infected when they have a blood transfusion or organ transplant that contains this parasite. Laboratory workers who handle infected blood can also acquire infection through accidental inoculation. For human being, this parasite forms cysts in tissues, usually in muscle, heart, brain, and eyes. It can also transmit mother to child, that is congenital transmission. A pregnant woman infected with Toxoplasma can pass the infection to her fetus. The woman may not have symptoms, but there can be severe consequences for the unborn child, such as diseases of the nervous system and eyes. Generally, most people infected with Toxoplasma do not have any symptoms. They often don't know they are infected, but some people have flu like symptoms, including fever, swollen lymph nodes, headache, muscle aches, skin rashes, etc. And Toxoplasma may infect tissues of the inner eye, and this infection is called as ocular toxoplasmosis. This can even occur in people with healthy immune systems, but the disease is more serious in people with weakened immunity. Symptoms may include eye pain, poor vision, and untreated eye disease even can cause blindness. Toxoplasmosis can cause severe lung or brain diseases. Rarely, this infection can show up in other tissues throughout the body. Lung infection may cause breathing problems, fever, cough, etc. And toxoplasmosis may cause inflammation of the brain, which is called encephalitis. And symptoms may include confusion, poor coordination, muscle weakness, seizures, etc. In medical astrology, both Rahu and Ketu have been considered to be the planet of all diseases and hidden diseases caused by infection, that is, bacteria, parasites, and viruses. Jupiter is a casual planet of life and it represents all of us. So, whenever there is a combination of Jupiter and Rahu or Jupiter and Ketu, then at such a time, infectious diseases spread very fast, which are difficult to identify and resolve. Finally, Toxoplasmosis infection is caused by the protozoan parasite Toxoplasma gondii, and this parasite is found throughout the world. In United States, it's estimated that 11% of the population have been infected with Toxoplasma. In various places throughout the world, it has been shown that more than 60% of some populations have been infected with this parasite. The Toxoplasma parasite can persist for long periods of time in humans or other animal bodies, possibly even for a lifetime, but still very few have symptoms because a healthy person's immune system usually keeps away the parasite from causing illness. But pregnant women and individuals who have compromised immune system should be aware of toxoplasmosis. For them, this infection could cause serious health problems. So, always be cautious about handling materials that contaminated with toxoplasmosis. I hope you might have received some useful information from this video. We will meet you soon in my next video. Till then, take care and bye.